Rzeczpospolita Polska
by entrusting the disciplinary chamber of the Supreme Court in Poland, whose independence and impartiality are not guaranteed, with the authority to rule on cases which have a direct impact on the status of the judge and the court assessors, as well as on their duties, such as, on the one hand, court cases on detention or permission to hold a judge or court assessor criminally responsibility, and, on the other hand, court cases related to labour law and social security related to the judges in the Supreme Court, and cases related to sending judges into retirement, the Republic of Poland failed to fulfil the obligations which it is obliged to based on Article 19(1), Paragraph 2 of the European Union Treaty.
Królestwo Danii.
The ECJ judgment obliges Poland to pay €556 million to the European Commission. In addition to its own costs, the Republic of Poland must pay the costs incurred by the Commission, including those relating to the proceedings for interim measures. The penalty payable by Poland is calculated from October 2021. This is a blatant violation of the European treaties by the ECJ, encroaching on competences it does not have. If anyone thinks that this court has such competences, then please show me where it is written. Where, in the European treaties, is it mentioned that the ECJ can regulate the judicial system in member states? There are no such provisions. This is the first government since 2004 which, instead of getting money from the Union, is paying it there. We are all paying today for this stupid war against Polish judges and the European Union. On the 1st of April 2021, the European Commission lodged a complaint in the Court of Justice of the European Union over the reform of the Polish judiciary. The disciplinary chamber of the Supreme Court, by virtue of the circumstances of its establishment, its composition and the powers conferred upon it, does not constitute a judicial body fulfilling the attributes of an independent court within the meaning of Article 19(1), Treaty of the European Union, in conjunction with Article 47 of the Charter. Consequently, retaining its cognizance in cases of other national judges concerning the status and conditions of the exercise of the office of judge, it infringes their independence and constitutes a violation of Article 19(1), Treaty of the European Union. The Polish government abolished the disciplinary chamber of the Supreme Court and replaced it with the Chamber of Professional Responsibility. However, this was not enough. In January this year, the Sejm passed another amendment to the Supreme Court Act. Disciplinary and immunity cases of judges were transferred to the Supreme Administrative Court. However, President Andrzej Duda referred the amendment to the Constitutional Tribunal. The next hearing date on this issue has been set for the 27th of June. Preliminary analysis already indicates that some of the allegations are already outdated, and second, that some of the issues raised by the tribunal may also be resolved if the law amending the Act on the Supreme Court, which was adopted by the Sejm in January this year, enters into force. This is not the first time Poland has been targeted by European Union institutions, and according to publicists, today's verdict was predictable. Poland is to be punished, to be a second-class country in the European Union. This is driving Poland into a corner, in the interests of Germany. On the 10th of March this year, Poland applied to the European Court of Justice to revoke or amend the provision on the financial penalty because of the changes that had been made. The ECJ decided to reduce the amount of the periodic penalty payment to €500,000 per day. Today's judgment brings the penalties to an end.